Okay guys, here's my bro's Beyblade. Okay, what would you pick first?
Kinetic sa tingin.
This?
Yeah. Kinetic sa tingin.
Ito ba pwede?
Hindi ko alam. Launcher to eh.
Para dito?
Oo. Revive Phoenix. Revive Phoenix.
The viewers cannot see.
I don't know what this is Beyblade, but I think it's Dark Side.
Ever wag kang Beyblade content ka na?
This is Achilles.
Yes.
It's Driver.
Okay.
And
At bawal na...
this is its high mode. Wait.
Yeah. Let me
doesn't
just
work.
put on the Beyblade. So, bye-bye. See you later. Okay, guys, we're back. And here is the Beyblade. Let's go test it out.
Reboot Driver.
Wait, let the viewer see.
Reboot Budget.
Okay,
God,
hold mo na. Ay, hindi. Ako na lang.
Ako na.
Ikaw mang launch. Eper yung ulo lang na pwede face mask para hindi ma-recognize.
3,
Okay.
2, 1, let's go. This is its wheels, roller skates. Let's try to activate them. Wow, those were cool. Roller skate.
And no wondering is bright because I turned on the lights. So let's go back to reviewing the Beyblade. Okay, now we have to the Beyblade X.
There's still more blue.
Yes.
Rage Longinus.
Yes.
So we can only show our hands.
Yes.
Excalibur thingy. I don't know what Excalibur. And Orb Aegis.
My God.
We have this
Fake Balchiek. Yes, that don't explode.
fake Balchiek.
Yes. Fake.
Fake,
Wag ka kunin ng kunin.
fake Zillion Zutron.
And that's it.
Spriggan, which is fake. And that's all burst.
Okay, let's go to the...
Wait, there's still more.
Where's
this was Salamander. Salamander.
Nilius mo ba, Aizen?
I see.
Okay, tayo. Baka dyan lang. You're looking for...
Salamander. I don't know what salamander this is, but
Okay, let's go to the Beyblade X.
Hell's Hammer, Hexa, Buster Jan,
Wait. Okay.
160, Underplant, Foul Sphinx, Fake, 960, Spike, and Fake Sordran,
But it's really strong.
370. I don't know, this is Slow Rush. Where's Rock Golem?
Rock Golem.
We have Rock Golem.
Wait guys, let me help him search it. So, see you later.
This is Rock Golem. 160 spike. This is not a fake.
And
Yeah, that's all. Plus the launchers. Alexander's launcher. Buster John's launcher. Sino naglagay ng X? Nilagyan mo ba to ng X?
lagot.
Para sa Excalibur 2. Huwag ka lagay ng stickers. Parang si Yuan.
Guys, I will pause the
Green
video.
apples. Green apples.
So I will end the video. Not yet.
Not yet.
We still have to review.
Buster John's launcher.
Oh, there.
Owl's Pink's fake launcher.
And
Which
we
broke.
didn't review this. It's made of metal. Look.
And that's all. Bye. Cameraman